Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to post a course update. So you're going to want to go to the course that you're going to want to post an update for. And when you get to that course, you're going to go over here to the left hand side. One down underneath materials is updates. From here you're just going to get a dialog box where you can type any update. You can say, reminder, test tomorrow, and it will post it to all of your linked sections of that course. You also have options down here. You can add a file to an update, a link, a resource from Schoology. You can do an audio or a video recording. You can do a poll, and you can copy something to another course. So if I do a poll, it would be a question here, and then I would have different options. I can add options down here. We can have students vote on different things. So for example, down here, I wrote, which option do you like best? Option 1 and option 2. I'm going to delete that now because students don't need to actually do that. The other thing about once you posted an update, so here I have an update, students can comment on your update. They can like your update as well. If you are concerned about student comments on your posts, over here in this course options, you can go to where it says monitor posts, and this is going to be for everything, whether it be a discussion board post or not, or an update post. But you can always click on enable moderation. What this would do is it would require you to approve anything that a student posts to your sites. I don't do mine. I don't enable my moderation on mine because we oftentimes do discussion board posts, and this would require me to approve every single thing that students wrote, and it wouldn't be in real time. But you can do that if you have an especially difficult class that you're a little bit concerned about. I can disable it here. You may always, when students have posted a comment on something, you always can go and delete their comments. You have the ability to do that. So that's how you post a course update. The things that I use updates for is just reminders about homework or tests. I also have posted updates in the past, making sure, like if I'm going to be gone unexpectedly, I'll post an update to the course so students know, maybe what they need to do, or if I, say I'm going to have an after-school study session and I can't make it, but I have no way of communicating with them, I will tell them through an update. One thing that you might want to mention, this actually comes in a different 20 Days of Schoology item, but you can turn on and off your email notifications. So you can change your settings. So, and I always tell my students to do that, to enable email settings. So anytime that I post a course update, I tell them, turn that on so that you know that there's been a course update to this course, because it's usually something that you're going to want to know. And so there's ways to change your notification settings so that you become more aware when a course update has been posted. However, you're not necessarily going to want to do that for everything, because there are course updates to lots of different things, and you're probably not going to want to get a notification every single time. All right, thank you.